how to change margins in your MS Word document. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the margins of your MS Word document. So as here you can see, I have this sample Microsoft Word document right here, and now let's try to change its margin. So in order to change the margin, you'll need to click onto this layout tab right here, and once you will click onto this layout tab, you can see the interface like this. Now under the page setup, you can see the first option or the leftmost option that says margins. So using this, you can adjust the margins and change them as well. So simply click onto this margins option and you will see this dialog box that lists out different types of margins which are available. So you can use any margins that you want from this. So for example, let's say a white margin, and here you can see that now a white margin has been successfully applied into my MS Word document. So if you want a predefined margin, you can use this technique. And apart from that, if you want to customize the margin parameters like the top, bottom, left and right position, then you can again click onto the margins option and then this time choose the custom margins from the last option. Once you click onto this custom margins option, you can see under the margins you can determine the top, bottom, left and right positions as well. So you can determine any position that you want, and then once you are done with this, you can click onto this OK button, and here you can see that the new customized margin has been successfully applied to this document. So that's how easily you can change the margin of your MS Word document pages. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.